Why don't we ever tell secrets on the trading floor? Because the bulls and the bears have big ears, and the wolves have even bigger ones. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to Trading Doods, your new go-to place for all things related to the Indian stock market. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why are we talking about bulls and bears? What kind of a zoo is this? Well, in the bustling bazaar of the stock market, a bull is someone who believes prices will rise, and a bear is someone who thinks they'll tumble down. And us? We're just trying not to step in the... Well, you catch my drift. We're the beginners, the explorers, the ones brave enough to venture into this wild landscape. So, whether you're more of a bull or a bear, or still figuring it out, Trading Doods is here to guide you through the jungle that is the stock market. Do you know what's the best strategy to become a millionaire in the stock market? Start as a billionaire. A little humor for you, but there's a grain of truth in there. The world of trading can feel a bit like a roller coaster ride. One minute you're soaring up in the sky, the next you're spiraling down. It's thrilling, yes, but it can also be nerve-wracking. The key to navigating these ups and downs? Knowledge and community. That's where Trading Doods comes in. We're not just a YouTube channel, we're a family. A family that learns together, grows together, and navigates the thrilling world of the stock market together. We'll share our insights, our successes, and yes, even our failures. Because that's how we learn. That's how we grow. Remember, in this market, the only thing that rises faster than stocks is our heartbeat. So why navigate it alone? Come, be a part of the Trading Doods family. Why did the stock market investor get a hole in his shoe? Because he followed the advice to keep an eye on his sole investments a bit too literally. Now that we've got the jokes out of the way, let's get serious. Trading Doods isn't just about learning and growing as a trader. It's about building a community of individuals who share a passion for the Indian stock market. When you become an active dude, you're not just absorbing information. You're contributing to the conversation, sharing your thoughts, learning from others, and helping to shape the direction of this channel. Your input, ideas, and feedback are not just welcome, they're essential. Because it's your voice that helps us create the content that you want to see. This isn't a one-sided conversation, it's a dialogue, it's a community, it's a family. So don't just be a spectator, be a dude. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. Because here at Trading Doods, every voice counts.